Good afternoon. Well, the gloves were off from day one for the weather for the start of the new year, wasn't it? It has been mild, yes, but it's been wet and windy at times. Just how wet has it been? Well, take a look at some of the rainfall totals so far this year. In North Wales and parts of the Lake District, we've seen in excess of 200 millimetres of rainfall, and that is just in the week. Now, we are actually going to add to those rainfall totals as well as in the next 5 days. If we take a look at the accumulations, anywhere with the darker blues or even the greens mean that we could see another 50 to 80 millimetres of rainfall in the next 5 days. Mostly out to the west, as you can see, at all courtesy of low pressure at times. Now, because the low pressure is sitting to the north, we will see some subtle change in wind direction, and that's going to impact the feel of the weather. So on Monday, a northwesterly means a slightly cooler air source, so those temperatures are going to be down in comparison to of late. It also means a chilly start, but hopefully a sunny start in sheltered eastern areas. Frequent showers closest to the low pressure into the far north and west across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England. There will be some showers further south of that, but look at the temperatures, generally single figures. We might just scrape double digits down into the southwest. All change as we move out of Monday into Tuesday. These weather fronts will bring some wet and once again windy weather, but this pizza slice here is a milder wedge of air that's going to be pushed in by a southwesterly wind. It's what's known as a broad warm sector, and basically all you need to know is there's going to be a lot of cloud around, a lot of rain around, but it will be just that little bit milder with the wind direction coming from the southwest, but blustery 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts of winds at times. The cold air tend to sit in place across Scotland. Here we could see some snow to higher ground, single figures here, but further south we could see temperatures 13 or 14 Celsius. Pretty good for this time of year. But as the low pressure tracks its way steadily eastwards, on the southern flank of that, as we go through to the early hours of Wednesday morning, we could see severe gales for a time. It moves through quite quickly, and then on Wednesday a real rush of showers piling in from the west. Again, a bit more of a southwesterly flow. We might see double digits across England and Wales. A little bit cooler in Scotland still, with around 6 or 7 degrees. More wet weather to come, I'm afraid. Not that much in the way of respite. As we move into Thursday, it starts off dry. Another set of frontal systems will bring further wet and windy weather with it. The showers most frequent out to the west, hence the reason that we could see 50 to 80 millimetres of rain throughout the week. And temperatures again at around 7 to 13 degrees. So the low pressure never really too far away. It does look likely on Thursday that it'll sit up to the north again. So the wind direction swinging back round to a northwesterly or a westerly. Frequent showers again on Friday up into the far northwest. More showers along west facing coast. Best of the sunshine perhaps on Friday in sheltered eastern areas. And then as we head into the weekend, that low is still with us. So it's still likely to stay pretty unsettled. Plenty of ice bars on the chart. The wind's certainly going to be a feature. The low sits up to the north. So it means perhaps on Saturday we could see a rash of showers across England and Wales. 7 to 10 degrees. Somewhat cooler, but a little bit quieter. Fingers crossed for Sunday. That's it. Take care.